The other camera just shaking. What is up, guys? TK back here with TK's Garage, and hopefully the sky does not open up on me today. I see my tripod's about to take a massive dump with my phone in it. Anyways, we're gonna go around and look at some different things today and look at a couple of things I have on my list, just two, and then I'm gonna look at random stuff. So let's go ahead and get right into it.
Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist, bad, bitch, she, thick.
What is up, guys? I knew if I didn't look at this Corvette from yesterday, you guys are gonna give me shit. So today, I'm going to attempt to take a look at it. They weren't sure at the office if this thing opened up or would even start. The body damage on this is mostly in the front. Oh boy. Oh. And as you can see in here, oh, it smells like raw ass. Whew. Man, airbags popped everywhere, huh? Does have keys. Let's even see if it has power. If it doesn't have power, I looked at it. Y'all can't give me any shit about it. Nothing. All right. I looked at it. Don't give me any crap. All right. So now, the other car I need to see that's on my list is literally on the other side of the yard. So now I'm just hunting. Now, this is where you find random ass deals and things can just pop up out of nowhere. Woo! Or you end up seeing some crazy ass carnage like this Suburban that has seen better days. Or maybe this is a Tahoe. Wow. Can you say smashed? Woo! Look at the camber. Oh. And then you come across, then you come across cars like this. This is a 428i, right? BMW, severe front end damage over there. I'm not going to walk through that to get at it, but you never know what you're going to find when you walk around here. There's things in here that are on the sale list that didn't show up when I did my search through Copart's site. Now, I will say this, Copart has got better and better over time with fixing what they show is available for sale and what's not for sale. So I appreciate that, but they have a long way to go. There's a lot more they could do to get things done, in my opinion. That's just me though. That's just me. All right. All right. I don't even want to open this one. This one is from Liberty Insurance. Yeah. This is the first time I've ever seen a vehicle listed bio and roaches. I'm done. Basically, don't open this vehicle for anything. This Pathfinder is probably fixable, right? But it's got roaches. Yo, so you know they didn't even check to see if it runs or nothing. Ain't nobody going in there. Ain't nobody messing with that. Hashtag roaches, roaches on deck. Damn. Hey, look at this Chevy Malibu. By the way, we are giving away our Chevy Malibu sometime this week. I'm going to try to schedule stuff with Randy and try to get the announcement. If he's in Florida, we'll do it together. If not, I may come out to Oklahoma City on the, to hand the vehicle off anyway. But we'll do a dual live stream from wherever we're at, and we will announce the winner of our Chevy Malibu that doesn't look anything like this piece of crap this week. So don't miss it. If you haven't entered, you can literally enter up until we do the video saying that it's closed, which could happen at any time. So you don't want to miss that. Make sure you comment on the giveaway video. And if you do so, and you're subscribed both here and at Auto Auction Rebuilds, and you thumb up both of our giveaway videos and comment on both of the giveaway videos, you're entered. You don't have to buy any merch. We're not here to sell you anything. Just subscribe. It's the easiest car giveaway on YouTube right now. Which brings me to the next car. This was the other one that I needed to walk across to go see. This is a 2010 Audi A3 Premium. Now this one took a little bit of hit in the front. There's a Telluride on my list here too. I didn't know it was at this one. I thought it was at the other lot. Oh, see, this is the shit that you don't see, man. When I was looking online, I didn't see this damage. I wonder if they're intentionally like missing photos now on Copart or what. You can see that tire just blew out. It just got cut down. Damn, man. I was really interested in this. And I was wondering why it was buy it now so cheap. Now I know. Still can't, man, that sucks. Well, I don't need to waste y'all time on this one. On to the next one. All right, this is one that definitely interests me. This is a Kia Telluride, a 2020, meaning it's brand friggin' new, you know, rusted out rotors. Definitely got some serious damage in the front, you can see, but the crash bar is not busted. You know, it's probably little core support, little stuff in here that could be fixed. Okay, fender over here. Oh, wow. All right, well, now we know why it's here. Look, it looks so good from the side. I saw the airbags deployed, but I didn't know it was going to end up being a carnage vehicle. Holy crap. Well, I guess these Kias are not the tanks that they make themselves out to be, are they? Whew. I don't know. Maybe this thing took such a hard-ass hit and the people are straight. It's not listed as a bio. I was wondering what I smelled that was burned, and then here it is. Bloop. Man. SX V6, all-wheel drive. I wonder, does it start? Would y'all like to see carnage that fires up? No, I think they cut the battery. Oh, no. It's got light. It's got power. We're here. Oh, wow. Yo. What the F? Look at these. Look at this. Look at the interior, man. Look. And just so y'all be like, that's foul. You shouldn't be posting that. There's no blood back there. That's a white leather seat. It's clean. So whoever was sitting there is just fine. All right. They probably got a bump on the head or something. They're going to be all right. But look at this interior. Yo, Kia is really stepping up the game. Like, this is like a luxury damn car. Let's see if it starts. Carnage that starts in 3, 2. Ooh, it shakes. Oh, it's squeezing me in. Ah! Put the seat back. Okay, it ran like shit. Okay, I smell something burning. Let me shut it down. Nice little sound. It does start, though. Whew. Okay. Yeah, this thing, something's burning. I'm going to leave it alone. I'm not going to, like, I can smell something. Could be a belt. It could be whatever. This thing took a really bad hit. The fact that it still runs, though, pretty friggin' impressive, if you ask me. I can't believe they haven't taped off that window, though. I don't know if it's fixable, to be honest. It probably isn't. But it's only got 8,000 miles on it. I mean, the powertrain's probably good. You know, a body shop could probably still use these doors on this side. The glass on this side is still sellable. I don't know if you get your money back out for what this thing is probably going to go for at auction, but you might. It's possible. All right, let's take a look at some carnage while we're here. I won't even pause the video. Hey, look, it's a GMC Acadia, aka the worst engine GM ever made. Yeah, see where that thing, you can see down here at the bottom. You see that where that running board goes down along the bottom where it's all bent in? This thing's got massive frame damage, I'm sure. Like, I don't even think like this is more than just fix this piece of body and replace the doors. This thing is really effed. Yeah, buckled. It's buckled up top. It's buckled up. There's no fixing that. Brand new or not, it's a wrap. Let's take a look at this Chevy Suburban that's seen better days. Wow, this thing hit something pretty hard, pretty fast. And it's got a tree in it. Looks like a pine tree. You know, if I go back to horticulture class, I see bark from a pine tree in it. I'm not going to walk by that sharp ass door that's all bent. But I wonder if the interior is smashed. I'm going to give y'all a first look. I can't see it, but I can see through the plastic. Wow. That is a wrap. That thing looks like crap. All right. Wow. Hey, I see something I haven't seen in a long time. A Ford Escort. Is it wrecked? Please tell me it's not wrecked. This might be cool. Hold on. Oh my God, look at this. It's a cool little Ford Escort. I know you guys are gonna be like, shut up. It's a friggin' Ford Escort. I know, but look at that. That's kind of cool, man. You just don't see these anymore. You know? That's kind of cool. I wonder who had full coverage insurance that caused it, you know. Oh, yeah, this thing, whew. Oh, okay. No, thank you. Oh, wow. For Dussy. All right. We got a lift car. Hey, man, you always know that you're safe and good if you've had too much to drink and you want to take a ride home. Jump in a Lyft or an Uber. You never know. Your ride could end like this one right here. Holy crap. Here's some carnage. Here's some Lyft carnage for you. The whole engine is pushed back. Like it's like smashed. There's like no engine. This little Nissan is done. It's a wrap. It's over with for it. It's all done. Send it. Send it Lyft. Oh boy. This little Sentra is all done. Doesn't say bio or anything, but I guarantee you, if they had a Lyft passenger in there, somebody better get a lawyer. Tell him to cut the damn check. Cut the check. Cut the check. All right, this is one that intrigued me. It is next to the smashed Suburban. It is a Dodge Ram Laramie. It's already got a nice little lift on it, okay? It's definitely nice and high off the ground. It has the 5.7 V8, which I do like. That is a Hemi, all right? Now, this is listed as a theft recovery, and I can see why. I'm just going to hope that she starts, though. It doesn't smell like Badussi in here. But, man, is it kind of dirty? And, man, this is what happens with that theft recovery shit. People be stealing the radios and whatnot. It's kind of foul. All right. Let's get over here. Is there any keys? Oh, don't tell me you left the keys. You asshole. Yo, they be doing that on purpose, man. They do that shit on purpose. I'm tired of that, man. People do that just so you can't see if it runs, so it tries to scare people off from bidding. Kind of a pain in the ass. I need to get Copart to give me that permission to bring my own damn jump pack. Damn it. Look at this. It's a street truck. They were running it somewhere. Look at this. I'll let you know this truck got some balls. Street truck. Nope Nationals. Look at that. The Nope Nationals they ran this in. Well, I wonder what I mean, it's a theft recovery. But I wonder what else is wrong with it. Let's go around to the other side. Please don't be wrecked. Please don't be wrecked. It is a 4x4. All right. Oh, we got a broken rim. But I don't see any body damage. So it might be okay. You know, theft recovery. I do see a broken rim. You know, but I don't see any real big suspension damage. Right? I mean, well, I'll look at this in post. I can't really see that while I get down on it. But, I don't know. We'll have to see what it goes for. It's on my watch list. It's on my watch list. We'll see what it sells for. We got some more carnage for y'all, man. Look, we got another Chevy Silverado over here smashed out of its friggin' mind. Man, I gotta say, I think this might be, like, we might have more carnage in North Carolina than any other yard in the country. I don't know. Just my opinion, because I could walk right over here and now I'm looking at a Dodge Ram that is the victim of a rollover and smash, right? Look at this. Damn. Damn it, man, right? And then we can come right over here to this Chevy Tahoe. Same thing, smashed. Now, what I want to know is, because I could buy one like this and get the seats cleaned. You see what I'm saying? This is an LTZ too. I could buy one of these. I wonder if the leather seats from a 14, because see, mine has the same body style from like a 15 to 19 or 15 to 20 is what my body style is. I'm wondering if any of the parts are, you know, interchangeable. Vortec V8. I got the stupid Ecotec, man. I like the Vortec because it has the spot for the clutch fan and stuff there. If you run the clutch fan, it screws right onto the water pump right there. This is the exact same engine as the Envoy. I mean, exactly the same. And if you guys don't know about my Envoy, it's here from earlier videos here on the channel. I did a lot of work to that truck. All right, guys, I know this is a kind of epic background, right? Look how the cloud changes with my hand. Oh, whoa. No, I'm just, yeah. A cool camera trick, though, right? I wonder if it shows up in post. Let me stop. All right, that's going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please reward me with a big fat thumbs up, because it helps the algorithm and helps my channel to get pushed out to more people, which helps the channel grow. We are fastly approaching 10,000 subscribers. You can help us do that by smashing that subscribe button, clicking that bell notification, because we will be announcing our car giveaway winner some point this week. So do not miss it. It is going to be a live stream, and if you miss it, don't miss out. Anyways, thank you guys very much for tuning in today. I know this one was kind of short. It wasn't really crazy, but I usually only do 3 Copart videos a week as far as walkarounds and looking at different things that I normally do. But I'm giving you guys a bonus this week because there's some more stuff I want to see. And you guys really want to see some more Carnage cars. So, see y'all tomorrow.